Oh, you hate when you see this kind of shit. This is actually exactly what the Bitcoin chart looks like right now. Lower highs. So we were never able to really break out there. Bear flag. I think that's what's going on here. And this is just a 4-hour chart. So I'm not even really looking at the high. All I'm doing is just looking at the short-term price action. And if we go A to B and then clone that, C to D off of whatever this high is, that's painting $83, $84, which does make sense. As you can see, there is a important horizontal support and resistance line right there. I tell you, I don't like the look of this. You can see Bitcoin made new highs here, and yet our momentum indicators did not make new highs. So writing's on the walls. Typical sort of Larry Fink fashion, I suppose. This is probably just a megaphone. So we probably go there, up to there, boom, boom, boom. And then maybe, I don't even know, do we go there, to there, to there? So move right down into here, A, B, C, D, some sort of panic dump into these levels to sort of mark the end of that move. But what I will say is I don't see a lot of reasons to be bullish here right now. This looks difficult. I think probably that's the easiest word to use. Most politically friendly, difficult. So, looking at the cryptos themselves, there is the Bitcoin. Looks like it's puking out, losing these lows. Look out below. There is Ethereum, same sort of thing. And there's Litecoin. And of course, we know Litecoin has gone through its 1 month prior to Halving event rally peak and actually appears to be backing off now. Was the rally that we just saw over the weekend enough of a dead cat bounce to justify that topping? I mean, what I've personally found over the years, no. I mean, I just don't even think that that's enough. But the market will do any old damn thing it wants. This inside bar has confirmed. So this is a weekly price chart. Yuck. Daily price chart. Yeah, it's just you hate when you see this kind of shit. This is actually exactly what the Bitcoin chart looks like right now. Lower highs. So we were never able to really break out there. I don't know whether you want to use that as a sort of bear flag. I think that's what's going on here. And this is just a 4-hour chart. So I'm not even really looking at the high. All I'm doing is just looking at the short-term price action. And if we go A to B and then clone that, C to D off of whatever this high is, that's painting $83, $84, which does make sense. As you can see, there is a important horizontal support and resistance line right there. Boom. I wouldn't even be surprised if there's some gaps down here. Kind of looks like it. Let's see. Yep, right there. There you go. So isn't that interesting? Look how the A, B, C, D lines up perfectly with that gap. That's crazy. Damn. I wonder if any of the social media kids, the newly minted crypto experts, are seeing that as a level. Holy moly, that's crazy. And then what's worse, right? I mean, Jesus, is this a 38.2? Maybe it was 38.2. So this has got Colin written all over it. So that's what happened there, folks. We rallied right into Colin's dump chaser zone against these highs here. All of these guys that were in these wicks right here, talk about killer trade location, candle body highs for trade location. Look how the market rallied right into that level, and it did it on 3 separate 4-hour candles. It came back and tagged that level. So you can't make the argument that if you were hunting, the market didn't give you the opportunity. It was just there. Is that the end of the Litecoin rally here before Halving? Kind of looks like it. Trend lines, really, really good example. Absolutely perfect example of do not take this trend line breakout trade here. You're going to look awesome. Oh, I look so smart. I look so smart. And then pull back and, oh, Jesus, now I'm at scratch. Now what do I do? And, oh, okay, I'm a little bit up. And then one candle, oh, break your heart. Oh, crushed. That does not look very optimistic here in the short term. Now, the good part about this, I suppose, is what are we talking here? We're talking about $8. So once we do get back down into these levels, then I think you'll probably find some support. Although I don't really see a lot of reason. Maybe like a trend line support, maybe something like there to there. Oh boy, that's nowhere near there. That's a long way down. That's scary. Do you know what this looks like? This trend line support? Because, oh, Jesus, this is getting worse and worse. The more I zoom out, the worse this looks. All right, so I could see, and of course, anybody who bought this bottom, they're like, I don't want to see it come all the way back there. Gee whiz, you bastard. So somewhere down in this area, and I suppose if we do reload zones, this is like 61.8 down in this area, that would make sense. Oh, yeah, look at that. Geez, do we have to come all the way down to $70 in some sort of great panic here? I wouldn't be surprised if Litecoin is making some sort of really ugly ass head and shoulders here. There to there to there to there to there to there to there. So, get this dump out of the way. Then once the dump's out of the way, then maybe we can start firming up a little bit, do those technical bounces, head and shoulders, all that. Then I suppose if you really wanted to walk away, that's probably your level right in there to keep an eye on heading into the end of the summer here. It's not the prettiest of charts, that's for sure.